Hello everybody, this is Jesse from NAPCO Tech Support, and today we're going to go over how to restrict access by area and by time schedule using your Gemini Access, also known as the ACM. To start, we're going to go into ACM Assignments. Now, depending on the panel you can have up to 8 areas of restriction. Now, you could assign each reader to a different area, like I did here, or you could use as few as 2 areas, 3 areas, whatever you need based on your system design. You could have multiple readers assigned to area 1, 2, 3, whatever you need. And when we say restricted by area, this is basically going to say what doors the end user is allowed into and which ones they're not, based on the access group. Now, in order for an area to exist, you need to have a zone assigned to it. So if you don't have an 8 area, or you only have a single area Berg system, but you're using multiple areas for access restriction, just assign an unused jumped out zone to all 8 areas, and that will cover you. Next, we're going to go into our user system codes, where we're going to make our access groups. Now, as you can see here, I have 8 access groups already set up, and this is where you would pick what doors that group is allowed into. Like, for example, group number 2 may just be allowed in areas 1, 3, and 5. Group number 2 may just be allowed in area 2 only. You could have another group that's allowed in all 8 areas, or as many as you have. Now, that's basically how you set up restricted access for different areas and what doors someone's allowed into and which ones they're not. Another way to restrict access, you can also do it by area, but also by a time schedule. Now, to do this, the group will need to have initially off checked. This will restrict the access group to only work during the time schedule. So we were going to go into our event scheduler in our access schedules, program the group number. The event is going to be access on. We'll check off weekly. We'll make a basic work week schedule for this group, Monday through Friday, with a start time of 8 a.m. and an end time of 5 p.m. Now, we have additional groups that require restricted access, but maybe have different times or more times they're allowed in the building. We can do the same thing, access on, check off weekly. And for this group, maybe they're going to have access also on the weekends, but with the same time restriction. Now, just to review, we went over how to restrict access by area and by time schedule using your Gemini Access ACM. And as always, for more information, you can visit us on the web at tech.napcosecurity.com. Thank you all for watching.